How to fix Infinix Hot 10s brightness automatically getting low. This happens when you are opening an app or if you are currently in the app and going to another app. The adaptive brightness is off, so this is not the reason why this happens. This is a little bit annoying when you experience it time and time again. So this is the solution. Honestly, I accidentally discover it and it is a weird solution. First, go to Play Store and download TikTok app. Yes, you heard it right, TikTok app. After downloading it, open that app and let it stay in your background or recent app. Your problem is solved. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.